Hi everyone! In today's quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to customize the keyboard shortcut for the Turn Off the Lights browser extension in Google Chrome. It's super easy and only takes a minute, so let's get started. First, make sure you have the Turn Off the Lights browser extension installed in your web browser. Just go to the Chrome Web Store and search for Turn Off the Lights. Click Install. It's free and open source. When Google Chrome is open, click the puzzle piece icon in the toolbar. This opens the Extensions menu. At the bottom of that menu, click Manage Extensions. On the left sidebar, click Keyboard Shortcuts. Now you'll see a list of all your installed extensions with options to customize their shortcut keys, and that includes Turn Off the Lights. To add or edit a shortcut, just click the pencil icon next to the action you want to change, then press your new key combination. I'll go ahead and set a shortcut for activating the extension and another one for night mode. Now, when I go back to a YouTube tab and press Ctrl+Shift+K, the screen dims and the video player is brought into focus, just like turning off the lights. And when I press Ctrl+Shift+N, it switches the entire web page to my personal night mode theme. And that's it. A quick and easy way to personalize your browsing experience with Turn Off the Lights. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more tech tips. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.